Hello my Dotty family and welcome to my channel. Come and join me on this magical journey through the world of dot art. I am Zelda from the Fairy Realm and today we're going to continue with our stone painting. If you haven't seen part 1, I'm putting it up here so you can join from the start. Okay, so now that we've finished those ones, my rock's also dried a little bit, so if yours hasn't, you can quickly grab a hairdryer, drag the hairdryer, and then just continue with me. So next up, I'm going to use my 7mm tool, and I'm going to be using color number 4, so my lavender. What I'm going to do is top dot these ones, but I'm top dotting it closer to the circle that I have made. So in other words, it's touching the edge on the inside of these dots. So they're running like that. Okay. And then we do that for all of the outside dots. You can still use the straight line as an indicator exactly of where your dot should fall. It's actually very handy to get your dot nice and placed center to the line where it's supposed to go. Next up, we're going to use our 5mm tool and also color number 4. And they are also going to go at the bottom, so on the inside of these ones here. Switching to the 6mm tool, we are now going to use color number 1. I'm going to do these top dots on these ones here. Okay. Also leaning toward the inside. Then with my 10mm tool, I'm going to use color number 2 to do a center top dot. And this is going to be as center as you can possibly get it. And now we're going to add some details to the petals. I want to make all of the outside ones petals. So with your 3mm tool and color number 1, again on the straight lines, then we're going to grab our 4mm tool and we're going to make a dot in between each of those, okay, in color number 2. So right at the base, there. If a 4mm is too big for the spacing you have available, you can also do a 3mm dot. For me, my 4mm ones are squeezing in there nicely. Okay, so I just accidentally bumped that one, so I'm just scooping up the excess paint. And then I'm going to use my black paint with my little touch-up brush and then just cover that up. So that's my technique of fixing most of my mistakes. So while it's wet, you scoop up the excess paint as much as possible, and then you just cover it in the background color. Because accidents happen. And now we're going to walk the dog again with the green tool, the big ball side, and color number 1. And that's going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. What I've done is I've blow dried my rock quickly so I can do some more top dots. And I'm using my 5mm tool and back to color number 1. So with my 5mm, again on the inside, I'm going to do a top dot. Like so. On all of them. Then with your 3mm tool, again with color number 1, we're going to do the same thing to these 4 inside petals. And sticking to our 3mm tool, we're going to do another one in color number 3. So 3mm, color number 3. And in your 7mm, color number 4, we're going to do a center top dot like that, and that will finish off our little design. I'm going to let that dry and I'm going to seal it, and I will show you guys what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I had so much fun doing this rock. I hope you did too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical, stay dotty, keep well, bye bye.
Every single day